I'm going to show you how you can set up the two-factor authentication for your Kraken account. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, you will need to create your Kraken account. If you don't have one yet, I will leave a link in the description below where you can get your account for free, and you can even earn up to 100 euros just by completing some simple tasks. So after you create an account with that link, you can also keep inviting more friends to earn more money. So now after you have your account, you just need to go to settings, then click on security and scroll down. So right here you will find two different options. You can either set a passkey or you can use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. So just click enable if you want to use this option and download the app. You can use any of those apps on your phone, just download it and scan this QR code and just enter the code from the app on your phone. So that's it. This way it will help you keep your account more secure because no one will be able to log into your Kraken account unless they have the code from the app which you should have on your phone. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.